Yeah, like I said, I feel like I've been underachieving most of my career. So, last year was just like, a chance for me to show that I am a better wrestler than what I've been displaying. We've been wrestling, most of us, for like our whole lives, and I've just been working on the basics, perfecting the basics. You learn, but to win at this level, you pretty much just perfect your own skill. And so I've just been working on the basic skills of escaping, taking down, and holding down.
He's good. He's beaten kids last year that were, All-Americans. It's just a matter of taking that next step for Kory, and I think he'll do it. He's just, if we keep focused on just, everything, the diet, just everything, the sleep, the little things will make the difference with him. And, I have confidence he'll get it done.